Welcome to Bimbo Adeoye TV. If you're watching this channel for the very first time, please subscribe to this channel for you to benefit from every review we are doing on this channel on your favorite celebrities back to back, for you to be aware of the movies that are yet to come out and that are out already. This is Konge Part 4, coming out on Wunmi Toriola TV. The part 1 is out already on Wunmi Toriola TV. Part 2 is out already from Wunmi Toriola TV on Wunmi Toriola TV. Part 3 is out already from Wunmi Toriola TV on Wunmi Toriola TV. This is part 4 now, about to be out. You know, any movie that is coming out from Wunmi Toriola is always a banger. Why don't you go to Wunmi Toriola TV and watch now? Come back here, just comment and let us know if you feel the movie, so that we can give you reviews on movies that are so much interesting, more and more. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye.